What's up, Ash fam? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. I apologize for the lighting. I know it's terrible right now. I can't find my lamp that I usually use to make my lighting more brighter, and it's dark in my house right now. So I apologize in advance for that. But by the title, you guys should know that today's video is going to be another unboxing video. And yeah, I'm just going to get straight into it. So, this lash machine came from the same young lady who I ordered my lashes from, and her name is Ashley Forster. For everyone who didn't watch the previous video of me unboxing my lashes, I'll leave it in the link. I'll leave the link in the description down below. So yeah, it cost $16 for the eyelash washer. And without further ado, I'm just gonna unbox. So let's go. Let's go. If you guys want to order one of these, I'm going to leave her website in the description down below as well, where you can get a hold of her and contact her, ask any questions you want to ask. So yeah. Alright, so first thing that's going to come in here, just like the lashes, is a paper. And the paper, it basically has your name, your address, her name, the company's location, address, your tracking number, the order date, all that good stuff. Then comes with a pair of lashes. I didn't know that. Then it says, Outlash by Ashley. Take 10% off your next order. Use code SAVEMONEY. Shop online. And her website is www.outlashbyashley.com. See, this is what it says on the front. Same thing on the back. Then the same cards that I had last time in the other one. This is her Facebook and Instagram. Facebook and Instagram. And then this is the little eyelash washer machine. So we're gonna open it up because it's an unboxing video. And ooh, this is cute. So this is what it looks like when you unbox it. Let me take this little net thing off. This is really pretty. I don't know. I have no idea how it works, but I guess you put water in here, you put the lashes, and press this. It washes it, and you take it out, dry it. I don't know. I don't know how this works. It doesn't have a instruction. It kind of shows you pictures right here of like what to do and stuff, but it doesn't really come. The box doesn't come with instructions on how to use it. So I'm gonna figure this out a little bit later. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. This is what the washing machine looked like. Like I said, these are what came inside. Free pair of lashes. So this is my second pair of lashes by her. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you made it to the end of this video, I really, really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.